Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Whether you've forgotten it or need to share it with someone, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and then clicking on the gear icon. Or you can simply press Windows plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in the Settings app, look for Network and Internet on the left sidebar. Click on it to open the network settings. In the Network and Internet section, click on Wi-Fi. Now you'll see an option called Manage Known Networks. Click on it to see the list of all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected to. From the list of known networks, find the Wi-Fi network you want to check the password for and click on it. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see a button that says View Wi-Fi Security Key. Click on the View button next to it. Your Wi-Fi password will now be displayed. And there you have it. Your Wi-Fi password should now be visible. Just make sure to keep it safe and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.